how you doing, YouTube? This is Devin Dingle coming at you, or Dingle73 as my Instagram name says, or Dingle as my nickname. But besides the point, this video is going to be about what to do before you invest in the stock market. Now, I'm going to come out with videos later about how to read a stock, how to tell the high, how to tell if it's bearish or bullish, or how to tell if it's going in a horizontal pattern, or how to tell if it's going in a uptrend pattern or a downtrend. All that stuff is necessary, but this video is going to be about what to do before you invest in the stock market. Okay, so what not to do. You do not want to buy stocks that are penny stocks. Let's just be honest. Penny stocks always have a high risk as a beginner. If you know what you're doing, you go ahead, because y'all know what y'all are doing, the people that I'm talking about. The people that are new, like I used to be, that didn't have no idea, I made a bad investment. That is something I had to learn from. So that is what not to do. You don't buy penny stocks. You don't go throw all your money out on stocks that you don't have no idea, no clue about. You buy stocks that you know that you see an uptrending pattern, that you will not lose your money. Read up on these stocks. Read up, search these stocks. Don't get people's opinions, but see how the stock is doing for your own eyes. See that it is an uptrending pattern. There are different options you can pick. You can pick the 1 day. You can see the level, how the stock grew and declined in 1 day. You can see how the stock did it in 1 week and 1 month. I would go as far to say go to the 5-year mark, see if it is an uptrending pattern, if it's a bullish stock, see if it is good to buy, and think about one thing that most investors don't tell you. They just say invest, invest, invest. But here's the key. You want to invest your money. You want to think about, is it going to benefit me 10 years from now? Is it going to benefit me 5 years from now? If it is no, that raises up red flags, and that is exactly what you do not want to invest in. You do not want to invest in stocks that will lose money, make you lose money. You do not want to invest in stocks that you have no clue about. You want to do some research about how to read stock charts, how to buy stocks, and when to buy stocks before you ever do your homework. You cannot be a lawyer if you do not go to law school. The same with the stock market. You cannot be a broker unless you cannot be a good broker or a successful broker that makes money if you do not learn about this stuff first. Now, you can be a broker and you can lose money because you don't know what you're doing, but you have to do your research, and you have to go on the internet and find out what these stocks are and find stocks that you want to invest in. So, the stock market, we've already established this, is a very risky place. You can lose a lot of money if you don't know what you're doing. I lost a couple, like I said, I didn't invest much money, but I lost some money from, like I talked about earlier, investing in penny stocks that I had no clue what they were. And this was whenever I was first investing, and I had no idea how to read a chart. I had no idea what to invest in or where to invest in. But as time grew on, I started to understand. But what this section is about acquiring a mentor. You need a mentor. Find somebody who knows what they're talking about. Get their advice. Always get their advice. You don't want to do something as a new stock broker and then you could lose all your money because you're not talking to nobody. You have to have an audience of mentors or people that surround you that know what they're doing. You have to. It is something that you have to acquire to do. Whether that be your parents, whether that be a pastor, whether that be somebody, a friend, who cares? You have to acquire somebody that knows what they're doing and get advice from them. Okay, so what not to do, we've already covered that. We've already covered to acquire a mentor. Now we're going to cover a little something that's very simple. Don't spend your whole paycheck on it. Invest a little bit at a time. If y'all already don't know that there's a link down below, click on the first link. It is the Robinhood link. Me and you both get a free stock if you use my link. And you don't have to use $500. You don't have to use $5,000. You can start off with $5, buying one $5 stock plus the free stock that we can give you. Now, whenever you do invest, obviously in the future, you're going to invest a lot of money if you're into the stock market. But at first, don't invest all your savings, all your money. Don't take a loan out on your house or on your car. Don't do any of that. Invest what you have. Don't invest a lot. Here soon, I just graduated high school, and I'm going to be 19 years old, and I'm gonna get a job working. I'm not gonna do full-time stock market, full-time YouTube. Well, I'm gonna have to get a job to fund this, man. So whenever you're first investing, yeah, it might be slow, but like I said, I've had 80% profit already at a young age. That is huge. Most people my age do not see these kind of profits, do not see this kind of increase in the stock market. But I have been very careful to invest, and I'm a very conservative investor. That meaning I don't invest in high-risk stocks. And I will put out more videos teaching about where to invest, how to invest, and what to stay away from. But I'm very conservative. I do not invest in high-risk stocks, and I do not invest all my money. So get a job if you already haven't. Don't invest all your money, and be very conservative at first, because you do not want to lose a bunch of money because you don't know what you're doing at first. And now you're ready. Well, maybe not ready, but you're gonna be ready here soon. Now, if you followed all 3 of my videos, if you've watched the Key to Success, if you watched the 5 ways to be an entrepreneur, you're gonna be ready here soon. Now, if you followed all 3 of my videos, if you've watched the Key to Success, if you watched the 5 ways to be an entrepreneur, and now you're watching this video, you're more than likely, not really gonna be ready to invest just yet. But you will get there here soon. We're working on that. Stay patient. Like I said, stay patient. Be smart, and just let this thing. It's not gonna happen overnight. You're not gonna get rich overnight. Like I said, you have to invest in it. It's an investment of time, of money, of patience. A lot of patience, believe me. I didn't get to over 80% profits just by saying, "Oh man, this happened overnight," or "Hey, this is gonna happen quick." No, I knew that there was gonna be an investment of my time, an investment of my knowledge, an investment of my money, and it takes time, like I said, but you're almost there. Now we will come out with more videos here soon. Leave a comment, leave a like, whatever you want to see. I want to know. Comment below, like, subscribe to the channel, tell your friends about it, shout it out, and we will see you till next time. Hey YouTube, so you just watched the video, my 3rd video ever. If you like what you saw, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, shout me out, comment below what you want to see, and I'll see y'all guys.